This shoe now, I'll buy online, keep it in my house. I'll buy from China, keep them in my house, and then sell them online before I decide to go into it full time by the wholesale side as a wholesaler. So it's good to have side hustle when you are working on. It's very, very good. I advise everybody, to anyone who cares to listen, it's good to have a side hustle. It's good to have a side hustle. Excuse me. Hey, how do I check WhatsApp on this device now? Start to check my WhatsApp, Mama. Check your WhatsApp. Oh, how do I check WhatsApp now? And my two videos don't drop. I told you I schedule videos. I post my videos and I schedule them. So every 2 days I'll be dropping back to back. So this algorithm will forget that this girl's channel is on track. You know. Now we they run am oh, not be me. I said no be me they run am oh, now Baba they run am. You understand what I mean? Auntie Blessing, are you ready for me? Oh yeah, come let's make plantain chips. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please. Now, guys, every day, do you know what rings in my head? There is one challenge I saw on TikTok. Oh, only no, only no, only no. I waiting for you. I know my iPhone S Pro Max don't. I said S Pro Max, 12 Pro Max. Whether I don't spoil. Oh, yeah, bless you, be very. I don't know why I don't get network this morning. Do you have MTN network?
And there's one network.
Oh,
No service.
okay. Thank God I have closure. Oh, there. I did not end it. Oh, I just quickly had to check the WhatsApp on this phone because my MTN line does not have network. They don't have network since morning. That's why. So someone has the person I was trying to reach earlier. You know, I said I was trying to call my shop to know what's going on. So he too said he was trying to call me.